Are you tired of crumbs, oil, and food falling into that annoying gap between your stove and counter? It's one of the hardest places in the kitchen to keep clean. Now, there's a simple and stylish solution. The Stove Gap Covers Stainless Steel by VAYAGARDEN. This isn't just a cover. It's a retractable, heat-resistant, and seamless guard designed to keep your kitchen spotless. What makes it different? It features an enhanced 8-spring design, 4 horizontal springs and 4 vertical springs. That means it stays firmly in place. No slipping, no shifting, always secure. Just pull the springs, adjust the size, and slide it into the gap. No tools needed, no complicated setup. It's flexible too. The retractable design adapts to gaps from 13.8 to 27.6 inches long and up to 1 inch wide. Perfect for stoves, sinks, ovens, or even microwaves. Wherever there's a gap, this cover can handle it. And because it's made of premium stainless steel, it resists heat, rust, and stains. Even in the high-temperature, humid environment of a busy kitchen, it stays strong, durable, and looking like new. The edges are polished smooth, rounded, and burr-free, so you don't have to worry about scratches while cooking. And let's be honest, kitchen style matters. The sleek stainless steel finish blends seamlessly with modern decor. It doesn't just protect, it enhances the overall look of your kitchen. Both safe and aesthetic in one, but don't just take my word for it. Listen to what real customers are saying. Lisa says, "Nice quality and a huge help in the kitchen. Easy to clean, worth every penny." Regina adds, "Sturdy, adjustable, and durable. Keep splatter and crumbs out of the gap. I'm very happy." And Jakeman sums it up perfectly. After silicone guards that wrinkled, these stainless steel covers were perfect. They look great and do the job. No more bending down to scrub impossible corners. No more frustration when food slips into hidden cracks. With these stainless steel gap covers, you protect your counters, your stove, and your peace of mind. Simple, elegant, and built to last. It's the little upgrade that makes a big difference in your kitchen. So why wait? Don't let spills and crumbs take over your cooking space. Click the affiliate link in the description below. Order your stove gap covers stainless steel by VAYAGARDEN today. But hurry, prices may change at any time, and this discount might not be available when you watch this video. Keep your kitchen clean, keep your counters beautiful, because sometimes the smallest details make the biggest impact. Check the affiliate link below to see today's price and grab your stove gap covers before the deal ends. Don't miss it. Cleaner, safer kitchens start here.